Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KNDI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, an absolutely savage move. And just to summarize today's price movement in trading jargon terms, this is what would be known as a gap and trap, and just a nasty gap and trap. What do I mean by that in case maybe you're new? Well, on Monday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there. Hence what is known as a gap up, and in this situation, a very big gap up. And then after the opening bell rang, this is where things got savage. A bunch of poor souls were buying up around this area, and you can see that from that point forward, it was just basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So a savage, nasty move, and this is where I would definitely call the must-hold, do-or-die level of support coming into play, and that sits down here at $6.80. What is that? $6.85. Why is $6.85 important? Well, that is the area where the price has been able to bounce, not only today, but you look back there and the previous day too. So, and I'm not saying this will occur, but I mean, think about what that is representing and illustrating. If the price rolls back over, gets down to that area where it's bounced before, and then just continues on down, I mean, that would be a savage looking chart, and that would just really start to change the landscape of things that much more, and in my opinion, just build that much more downside momentum. I mean, there's already a lot of downside pressure in this, but if all that occurs and then the price breaks down through that level, like I said, to me, that would just be putting the price down at lows that have not been seen for months, and that's just not going to be a good sign. So without doubt, that 685 mark, I have no problem calling a must-hold area of support, because I think things would get that much worse if the price were to go down there and then break through there. If the price does try to recover it back to the upside, key level of resistance to watch is going to be right there at $7.45. But as of right now, in my opinion, at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's always about just trying to stabilize out and ensure that the price can, stay up above that 685 mark. But all in all, what a crazy movement today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.